Hi everyone, I am Rishabh and today we are going to discuss about how to use Dolphin-Phi in Laravel. Dolphin-Phi is an AI model based on Phi language by Microsoft Research and it was introduced by Eric Hartford. So we are going to showcase an example of Dolphin-Phi in Laravel Bagisto. Bagisto is an open source e-commerce platform that is built on Laravel and handle the functionalities of Dolphin-Phi in it. So normally to run Dolphin-Phi, you need high end of GPU, but using Ollama, you can run this on local machine as well. So this is the official repository of Ollama, as you can see over here. And these are the below instruction how to set up and install it in the README file. So you can download it for the Mac OS, for the Windows, for the Linux. So right now we are going to install it for the Linux. I'm just copying this command and hitting it in our terminal. As you can see, the Ollama is started downloading. It is still in progress. So now you need to enter your credentials of your system, as I have already installed it. So I am directly running a command to download the Dolphin-Phi. So here command is mentioning, that is Ollama run Dolphin-Phi. I am copying this command and hitting it after the Ollama is set up. Now running it again. So now I am writing some message like hello, this Bagisto. As you can see, the response is been given by an AI. Sometimes the content will be mislead, so you can ask again. So now we are going to move towards Bagisto. So this is the official admin panel of our Bagisto, and this is the storefront. So now to enable the Dolphin-Phi configuration, you need to enable some configurations first. So go into this configure part. Now you will able to see one magic AI option. Click onto that. Now you will able to see some general settings, content generations, image generations, review translations, and personalized checkout messages. So now you need to enable those configurations first, and after that you have to select your model. So we are going to generate a content for the Dolphin-Phi. You can select your content, that is select your model, sorry, by the Dolphin-Phi. After that you have to enter an API key and LLM API domain. This 11434 is fixed. You have to enter it after your domain. And now save these configurations. Now, so we are going to create a product, and after the creating a product, we are going to generate a description of that content through Magic AI. Now create a product, select your type, family, SKU, the shirt, save the product. A shirt has been already taken. Now you will able to see one magic AI option right there, which we just enabled it from the configure. Click onto that, select your model, that is Dolphin-Phi, enter the prompt. Now after entering the prompt, you have to click onto this generate button. The content is started generating. The spinner is loading. As you can see, the content has been generated successfully. You can manage it according to yourself. So now click onto this apply button. So the short description has been created by this Dolphin-Phi model. Same you can generate a description as well. So that's all about it. So don't forget to like, comment and share this video. And in future we came with more videos like Mistral. So hit the bell icon for the upcoming notifications. Thank you so much.